will going to talk about geometric sequence on how to find the n term, a sub 1, and the common ratio. But first, we need to define or to know what is geometric sequence means. So, what is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence is a non-zero number where term is found by multiplying or dividing the previous by fixed number called common ratio. So, what is common ratio? When we say common ratio, it is a number multiplied or divided by each stage of geometric sequence. Try to look at this example. 4, 12, 36, and 108. This is one of the example of sequence or geometric sequence. And how to find the common ratio of this sequence? To find it, we need to use the formula of ratio, where r is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1. Now, r is equal to 12. It's because 12 is the a sub 2. R is equal to 12 over 4. It's because 4 is equal to a sub 1. So, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So, the common ratio is 3. To check that our answer is correct, we need to multiply. So, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So, our a sub 2 is equal to 12. Checked. 12 times 3 is equal to 36. The a sub 3 is equal to 36. So, check. And 36 times 3 is equal to 108. So, our a sub 4 is equal to 108. So, check. So, our answer is correct. That the common ratio is 3 of this sequence. Now that we know what is common ratio, geometric sequence, and how to find the common ratio of this sequence, let's move on to the formula of geometric sequence. The formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1, wherein our a sub n is equal to n term, our a sub 1 is the first term, our r is the common ratio, and our n is the number of terms. This is the formula of geometric sequence. Now, let's use this formula on solving this problem. Find the 8th term and 12th term of geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, and 24. First, we need to understand this problem. Second, write the formula. And third, we need to find the common ratio of this sequence. So, to find it, we need to write the formula. R is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1 equals 6 over 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So, the common ratio is 2. Now that we know what is the common ratio of this sequence, we need to identify also what are the a sub n, a sub 1, are the n or the number of terms on this problem. So, our a sub 1 is equal to 3. It's because that is the first term. Our r is equal to 2. It's because that is the common ratio of this sequence. Our n is equal to 8. It's because 8 is the number of term. And our a sub n will going to be a sub 8 because this is the missing one or the unknown na kailangan nating hanapin sa problem na ito. So, substitute all the given numbers to the formula. Remember that in geometric and arithmetic sequence, on solving a problem, first that you are going to do is subtract the exponent. So, a sub 8 is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 8 minus 1. A sub 8 is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 7. It's because we subtract the exponent, the 8 and 1. Now, a sub 8 is equal to 3 times 128. Why? Because 2 to the power of 7 is equal to 128. Let's multiply 3 times 128. So, the answer is 384. So, our a sub 8 is equal to 384. Now, we're going to find the 12th term. So, 12th term. So, this is the given numbers. So, a sub 12 is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 12 minus 1. So, a sub 12 is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 11. So, a sub 12 is equal to 3 times 2048. Why? It's because 2 to the power of 11 is equal to 2048. Next, a sub 12 is equal to 6,144 because 3 times 2048 rather, it's equal to 6,144. So, The answer of 8th term and 12th term, or the answer of this problem, is 384 and 6,144. Now, what if the a sub 1 naman yung nawala? How to solve it? So first, understand the problem. So this is the problem. What is the first of geometric sequence with a common ratio of 3 and the 5th term is 81? So, given na yung common ratio and the 5th term na 81. So, copy the formula. Then, identify the a sub n, a sub 1, the common ratio, and the number of term in this problem. So, our a sub n is question mark. It's because that is the missing one or the unknown. Then, our g is common ratio. And r and n rather, I'm writing here, sorry, is equal to 5. It's because it is 5th term. Now, our a sub n is equal to 81. Now, to solve it, we need to copy the formula and substitute all the given numbers. So, 81 is equal to a sub 1 times 3 to the power of 5 minus 1. So, 81 is equal to a sub 1 times 3, 5 minus 1, 4. So, 3 to the power of 4. So, 81 is equal to a sub 1, 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81. So, para a sub 1 na lang yung matira, we need to multiply first. So, 81 is equal to a sub 1 times 81 is equal to 81 times 81 a sub 1. Para matira na lang yung a sub 1, we need to divide both sides by 81. So, cancel out. So, ang natira is a sub 1. So, 81 divided by 81 is equal to 1. So, 1 is equal to a sub 1. Or a sub 1 is equal to 1. So, our a sub 1 in this problem is 1. Now, 5. Okay. The second example is, find the first term of geometric sequence with a common ratio of 4 and the fourth term is 320. So, copy the formula. Second, identify the a sub 1, a sub n, the common ratio, the number of term in this problem. So, our common ratio is 4. Our n is 4 because that is fourth term. And our a sub n is equal to 320. Now, substitute all the given number. So, 320 is equal to a sub 1 times 4 to the power of 4 minus 1. Second, 320 is equal to a sub 1 times 4 to the power of 3. Why? It's because 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then, 320 is equal to a sub 1, 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 64. Para a sub 1 na lang yung matira, we need to multiply. So, 320 is equal to a sub 1 times 64 is equal to 64 a sub 1. Now, paano matira yung a sub 1? We need to divide both sides by 64. So, cancel out the 64. So, a sub 1 na lang yung natira. So, 320 divided by 64 is equal to 5. So, our a sub 1 is equal to 5. That is the solution on how to find the first term or the a sub 1. Now, paano kung ang nawawala naman ay the common ratio? Paano natin ito isosolve? So, first, copy the formula. Second, identify what are the a sub n, a sub 1, the common ratio, and the number of term. So, our a sub 1 is equal to 7. Our common ratio is missing. This is the one na nawawala. Or the missing one. Or the unknown. Basta, nawawala. Ganun. Then, our n is equal to 5. It's because that is the fifth term. Our a sub n are going to a sub 112. So, understand this problem first. So, what is the common ratio of geometric sequence with the first term of 7 and the fifth term is 180. Okay, oh my god, I'm really sorry. So, this is 112. This is 112 rather. I'm really sorry. Okay, so solution. Copy the formula. Substitute all the given number. So, 112 is equal to 7 times r to the power of 5 minus 1. Now, in solving geometric or arithmetic sequence, remember that first you're going to do is to subtract the exponent before multiplying or dividing. So, this is it. 112 112 is equal to 7 to the power of 4. Why? It's because we subtract the exponent first, which is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 112 is equal to 7r to the power of 4. How to cancel this para ang matira na lang yung power of r to the power of 4. So, paano natin ito maka-cancel? We need to divide both sides by 7. So, 112 divided by 7 is equal to 16. So, 7 cancel out natin dahil same sila. And then, ang natitira na lang ay r to the power of 4. Okay. So, para makuha natin yung answer kasi hindi pwede na may 4, hindi pwede na yung r ay may exponent. So, para makuha natin, kailangan natin itong square root. So, 4 square root of 16 is equal to 2. Then, cancel out to 4. At ang natitira na lang ay r. So, the common ratio of this problem is 2. Okay?